Good morning, students. Today in GK, we are going to start the chill out next chapter, which is where the questions are asked related to plants and animal together. It is in the form of a quiz. So let's start. First question is the tallest tree like grass and fastest growing plant, which is bamboo. Next is mammals that gnaw their food. They have strong, constantly growing incisors and no canine teeth. Incisors, you know, it is the front teeth, and canine between the incisors and premolars. So the answer is rodents. Next is sea mammal having tusk found near the Arctic Circle. Tusk, you know that the teeth of an elephant is called. So the answer is walrus. WALRUS, walrus. Sixth one, quinine used for the cure of malaria is obtained from the bark of this plant. It is quinine is a drug which is used to treat the malaria. So, in which the bark of cinchona tree is used. Then seventh, an animal that feeds on insects, worms and other invertebrates are called as insectivore. Eighth, tiny forms of life, chiefly microscopic, the tiny creatures are there, that drift or float in sea or in fresh water. They either float in the sea are called as plankton. Plankton, plankton. 11th, lethargic animal, very lazy, living in treetops. It hangs upside down, putting his head part down and just hang on it upside down from trees while sleeping. It is sloth. 13th, the leaves of this tree is the favorite food of the koala bear. It is eucalyptus. Of the eucalyptus tree, that the leaves of eucalyptus koala bear eat. A secretive nocturnal animal which lives in burrows deep in wooded areas. It feeds on small creatures, insects and berries. It is called as badger. Flesh-eating animal are known as the carnivorous animal. Female of a pig is called as sow, S-O-W. A sea creature related to the cuttlefish with 10 arms round the mouth is called as squid, S-Q-U-I-D. Apes that are rated second to human in intelligence. Ape belongs to monkey family. It is chimpanzee. An Australian tree climbing marsupial feeding on the leaves of eucalyptus. It is a koala bear. A cold-blooded animal with 6 legs and a body divided into 3 parts: heart, thorax and the abdomen. It is called as insect. 24th, a baby kangaroo is called as joey, J-O-E-Y. Now, the questions which are asked from upside to down. First one is pouched mammals like koala which keep their newborn babies in a pouch on the front of mother's baby. Animal which have a pouch in front of the mother in which they keep their baby. Just like kangaroo. It is called as marsupials. Fifth, trees which bear cones and needle-like or scale-like leaves that are typically evergreen are called as coniferous trees. They have the needle-like, they are conical in shape and the leaves are pointed at the tip, are called as coniferous trees. The vital liquid, an animal that has no backbone, are called as invertebrate. The vital liquid that circulates in plants carrying food to all parts. It is called as sap, S-A-P. Any of those, 10th one, any of those plants without leaves, flowers or green coloring matter growing on other plants or on decaying matter and including mushrooms and molds. It is fungus, F-U-N-G-U-S. 12th one, a place with a number of beehives, where lot of beehives are there. It is called as apiary, A-P-I-A-R-Y. 14th, a large water bird of warm regions with a pouch in its long bill for storing fish. It is called as pelican, P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. 18th, the world's biggest water plant found in shallow water. It is water lily. Last one, a water plant that does not have roots, stems or leaves are called as algae. So you fill this one on spaces given on page 16. Fill it and then learn it. We'll meet you in next class. Have a good day. The answers are there. Just copy it.